Extremely important if you want it to last. Again, ethics, if you want to get rich and not use ethics, it'll be short-lived.
How important is ethics in business?
Extremely important if you want it to last. Again, ethics, if you want to get rich and not use ethics, it'll be short-lived. Ethics to last is extremely important. And not only just in business, man, in life. You know, one day you're going to be judged. One day you're going to be, looking back and regretting not being ethical. Someone asked me the other day, what are my biggest regrets? You know, my regrets are really treating people poorly or less than I could have, making fun of someone when I shouldn't have, because again, their whole life, that stuck with them. And it's like, I caused that. Like if I could go back, I would have been, nice to everybody and giving them hope and, encouragement. And, I would have been much kinder than I have been in life. You'll see some people say, I don't regret anything. I don't regret anything because it's led for me to be who I regret being mean to people. I regret screwing people. I regret not being nicer and not giving more thought to how I impact people. So like, to me, that's a big regret. That's the biggest regret. And again, I didn't go around hurting people and being a total dickhead, but at the end of the day, I've said some things and done some things to people that now when I look back, I wish I didn't do that. I wish I didn't say that. And I didn't even know in some cases that it would affect people that way. But words have power. So I would be careful with the words that you use, not only for yourself, but about others. Words are powerful. That's why you spell words. You spell a word. It's because it's magical. Words, your tongue is more powerful than you think.